Hello my lovelies, happy Monday. So today I'm going to take you guys with me to a very special place. I'm going to get something done to my face. It may have something to do with my eyebrows, but I'm going to take you guys with me and I'm going to film the whole experience. Stay tuned. Hope you're all having a beautiful day. I have slept so late last night because I was editing a video. I woke up so early today because I had to finish editing that video. I am so tired. I'm gone, and I didn't have coffee at home today. I know it's sad, I know. But I hope you're having a beautiful day. Let's go. So the first thing that we did when I jumped at the chair is that the beautiful Tommy cleaned up my eyebrows so they were ready to get tatted on. And then we applied the numbing cream. Is it weird, you guys, that I went to Starbucks looking like this? Is that weird or no? I don't know, because I had to have numbing cream on me for 30 minutes and I couldn't sit still and I had to have my coffee. I didn't have coffee this morning. Weird or not?
Hi everybody, my name is Lilian. I'm going to show you how I microbladed Lilian's eyebrows.
So the first thing that my beautiful Tommy did, I'm going to link her Instagram and everything below. She shaped my eyebrows. We cleaned them up a tiny bit. I had the numbing cream on for 30 minutes. It was like 35 minutes. And now she's going to measure my brows and just make sure everything's symmetrical and in place. And then we're going to go ahead and start the process. Yay! So what I liked about her specific process was that she was very specific on the eyebrows looking extremely symmetrical and perfect for your face shape. So we went ahead and measured that. She actually used a ruler, which I'd never seen before, and she made sure that everything was perfect, my arch was in place, and mathematically speaking it all looked perfect to a T. And I really appreciated this technique because I had never seen something like this previously, and also excited to see how my eyebrows would look now. So she just did the measurement, so it's nice and symmetrical. This is really good, especially if you're trying to get that like perfect Instagram eyebrow look, which we all are. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the eyebrows. I'm so excited. I haven't done this in a long time, so let's go. So this is going to last for about 20 months or more, depending on your skin. If you have oily skin, it's going to obviously fade quicker, and then if you have dry skin like I do, it's going to last longer. So depending on your skin type, you can choose your colors if you want it to be like a darker pigment or a lighter one. I'm going to get a medium one now because last time I got a really dark. So I just want to see how the medium one goes, and then you can always have a darker throughout time. I went ahead and actually began the microblading feathering process, and honestly you guys, I was expecting and waiting for it to hurt, but it did not at all. And I don't have a pain tolerance, so like I literally jump with any type of pain that gets shot at me, and it did not hurt one bit, which I'm so excited to say because I didn't even cry. Yes, I'm a big girl. And I kid you not, it honestly was like a breeze, the entire process. She went through the entire thing 3 to 4 times just to make sure that it was the perfect pigment and shade for me, which I definitely appreciated. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys the process. Let's continue. Now we're doing round 2. The other thing that I also realized that she did a bit differently is that in between each session that she applied the paint or pigment on my eyebrows, she also applied numbing cream, which made the whole experience painless completely. So that made me extremely happy and 100% comfortable. Once the healing process is done, only 30% of the pigment actually stays onto your face. So if it's really dark when you first get done, don't get worried, don't panic, because it is going to fade away and only 30% is going to stay. Just FYI. So how many times are we doing this process? 3 to 4. So we do this whole process 3 to 4 times. She does the same thing over and over again, just so she ensures that the pigment is on your brow. Oh my god. So this is the last level, the last round. She's going to do it. She just keeps applying numbing cream in between every time she goes through my brows, so I don't feel anything, and I truly haven't felt anything. Last time I may have cried a tiny bit, this time I haven't felt anything thanks to her. Once we are done, she's going to measure my brows once again, make sure everything's 100% perfect, and then we're going to be done. I love my brows. Now I can jump out of bed and just go along with my day. This is what I mean. She was so precise on making them look absolutely perfect. She went ahead and measured them once the whole process was done, and I absolutely loved it. Yeah.
You're ready. Yeah. Have a piece.
Oh, my man looks so good. She's so talented. Definitely check her out. I'm going to link everything below, so definitely go check her out. Thank you. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope your videos really did like that little video that I just made about my process and my journey on getting my eyebrows microbladed by the beautiful Tommy. As always, as I mentioned, I'm going to be linking all the information below. Now, I asked you guys on Instagram if you had any particular questions that you wanted me to answer about this process, and a lot of you guys asked me a whole heap of questions, so I'm going to go ahead and answer them. Hopefully this will answer a lot of the frequently asked questions about brows. I've been receiving so many compliments on them. So these are my brows after 4 weeks of getting them done. So what you saw in the previous video was 4 weeks ago, and what happened is I came home that day. They looked really nice like what you saw, and then it does get darker a tiny bit. You cannot wet them, you cannot rub them, you have to go ahead and keep applying the moisturizer that they give you. It doesn't leave you with any scars or anything like that because you keep them kind of moisturized and fresh in that sense, but you cannot get them wet. It didn't work out for about 10 days. I tried my best not to sweat and kind of keep them as dry as possible. So when I would shower like this. When I would brush my when I would wash my face, I would kind of literally not go here. I would hardly put foundation on my forehead just to avoid getting my brows wet. So they did get a bit darker, and then they came out like this. These are my favorite brows I've ever had. I literally get asked a few times a day, who's done your brows? What have you done? What products are you using? Because they think that I'm filling it out, and I'm like, no, it's a feathering, microbladed, tattered brows. That sounds so gangster. They look so natural. Everyone's like, oh my god, really? Let me see. So these are the results. I absolutely love them. I have to go back for a touch-up very soon. No, I absolutely love them so much. I love the shape. I love the arch. I get a lot of confidence on the arch too, which is crazy. I didn't know people realize little specific details like that. But now, onto the questions that you guys asked me on my Instagram. We're gonna go to the question. So someone said, can you choose the shade of pigment? P.S. I love you and your videos and your family. I love you too. Now, the shade you can choose, obviously. So as I mentioned in the video that you just watched, there are different levels of shades that you can pick depending on your hair color, your skin tone, and whatever you like pretty much. I went with a more of a lighter shade this time, and I am so happy with it. Like, I absolutely love how everything turned out. But yeah, there definitely are different shades that you can pick, so have no fear. Someone also asked, okay, Carl's asked, did it hurt? Now, so many people ask this question because a Dosh girl on Instagram also asked, is it painful? Now, you guys, it is so funny. As you saw in the video, I wasn't flinching at all. It didn't hurt at all. It does make this sound like, which is a bit like, ah! But besides that, it truly didn't hurt me. This was the first time that I went to someone and they kept applying numbing cream within each round. So in between, every time she would do it, she applied numbing cream, as you saw, and I couldn't feel a thing. Last time, I promise you, my brows were kind of bleeding. I went to a different person. The experience was a bit more different. It was a bit more painful, but this time, honest to God, and I have like no pain tolerance. I cry for anything. I couldn't get needles. I didn't cry at all. As you saw, I was very happy-go-lucky, so no pain. Isabella Triel asked, how do you keep those brows on fleek? I microblade them, girl. Thank you, you're so sweet. Someone asked, how long does it last for? So as I mentioned in the video, it can last up to 20 months plus, depending on how you take care of them. You're not meant to go under the sun when you just get them done. You're meant to keep them very dry, so you have to be careful. And I do feel like if you take care of them at the beginning, it's gonna be good to you in the long run. But yeah, I'm so happy with them. If there's any more questions that you guys want me to answer, please do leave them below and I'll be sure to answer them in the comment section. Also going to be linking below my detailed blog post and article on my full experience with detailed more information and where I got them done and where you can contact Tommy and everything. I'm going to be linking that below, so definitely do go check that out and let me know what you think. As always, I love you guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please also go ahead and follow Tommy. She did an amazing job and I'm just living for these brows, I'm not gonna lie. I love you guys so much. Until next time, keep smiling.